What's going on, everybody? You're watching GTSam. I'm Sam, and this is day 4 of the Jaguar F-Type build. Now, what we have going on here today is we're going to go ahead and make sure we have some of these parts installed so we can take it on a little bit of a test drive. Again, on the main road. Because we've been putting around the farm here a little bit, and we get some ideas of what really needs, but I want to go ahead and diagnose things a little bit more so I just know for certain what needs to be done next and what parts we need. First off, we're going to go ahead and work on replacing this door handle because it already should have been there in the first place. Then move on up to the front, and then we have the air box that's right here missing. We're going to install that. Then we're going to do the crash bar, the front bar on top cover for the radiator, and then we're going to go ahead, clear the codes, then take it on the little test drive, see what comes back, and then see what we have to do. Without taking up too much more time, we got to jump right into this because it's starting to rain, and I want to get this out on the road so badly. So let's hit it. And here are our parts today that we're working with. So I'm going to get the front of the car all put back together, and we're going to take it a bit of a drive, not too far, nothing too crazy, but we need an air box, need some window accessories, got the front crash bar, window handle, still bitter about that, and side mirror. This is the radiator top support, and nothing, bolts and screws and stuff like that. All right, let's go ahead and see what's inside here, because I think I put this one on wrong, and then the other one also. And we got still brand new filter. Who makes this? Oh, Man Filters. All right, OEM. All right. Wow, that's floppy. Brand new. But then we have this. We got 2 filters. I'm not always a fan. 2 filters all the time. But it's a special car, so we'll see. But also, non-serviceable, do not remove. I mean, it's already kind of loose, so I mean, I kind of want to remove it now. What happens if we do remove it? See, it comes right out. Right? Let's see. It does come out. Told you. I wanted to get this leaf out because I heard it was in there. So I'm not sure which way the air is flowing, but I am not taking any chances with anything going inside the engine and messing anything up. This is a very special engine. And we have a very handy transporter here for all these wonderful parts. I'm going to take them in while we're waiting for the rain to end. I'm going to start working on the Jag. Still lights up, still drives, it sounds great. Of course we had to do it, before we start this, just to make sure, the battery's good, right? Yeah, of course. I think I mostly hear the air intake. This is our point of entrance. As you can see right here, it's already starting to rust. Thank you for that. And this is our door, and there's the wiring. Can you tell I'm still kind of bummed about all this? This is like the hardest part. I don't mind finding another hood and popping it on. This, I do mind. Anyways, okay. I'll stop talking about it. All right, so I got all the screws and bolts I need. They're over behind the seat behind me. And then I got the parts. Yeah, there. So this is going to be exciting. I guess as far as putting the door handle back in, it's not bad probably as it could be. Well, there it is. I gotta stick my hand down here and just maneuver around like that. So we're making it. And put some of the bolts back in. I got this lined up here too. And then just kind of pop some stuff around here. I don't know where this goes. But for now, looking all right. Looking okay. So we'll test things out, see where it goes. But I'm pretty sure this right here holds my gears that I have hanging around because it needs to open the window. But curious, Torx bit, we got ourselves here at 25. I'm gonna zip that right up. There's not a lot of torque in this thing, so just get it nice in there, nice and nice. Good. That'll stay. Now on the inside there, I'm assuming we got some 10mm bolts that are hanging out. You got 3, 2 on top, 1 on the bottom there. All right, let me show you something. You got one of these babies, a ratcheting 10mm multi-angle wrench. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Go all the way up here. Secret hole. And, look at all that. Ooh, nice. If you're going for the last bolt up top, you're best off getting an actual ratcheting wrench here because it just has that angle. It's nice to get in there. Let me show you. Right there. You could probably use an extension through this hole, actually. But I think we're just going to stick to doing this. But let's try it. Oh, wait. tighten something. And there we go. And we kind of go like this, and I'm going to be bouncing around a little bit here, but hey, I did it before me. All right, not too shabby if I do say so myself. Need a little buffing out here just because of, well, everything that happened. And let's see what happens if I press this button. Oh, I heard beeps and knocks and stuff like that. Do you come out? Oh, wait. Okay. That's a good start. Well, let's see. Oh, yay! Oh, it clicks in. Nice. Oh, all right. Oh. Ooh. I might need some auxiliary power on that one. I don't know. Everything's pretty much plugged in, so some other things. I'll take a look at it, but we can go manually. Just do this. Ah, very nice. Oh, hey, look. Secret keyhole. Okay, well, that's good enough for me. For that, let's see. Did I plug everything? I mean, got this. Got this. What else do I need to plug in? Okay, well, maybe just everything needs to be plugged back in because I don't have the freaking door panel. This nice mirror, still looking great. A little something on there. Then we got this too. It's gonna go pop it out. There we go. We'll test it out in a little bit. Come in the front here. We got a crash bar installed too. Oh, this is mounted up real nice. That's really good. So then we're gonna go ahead next, get the air box in place. I need one more bracket I didn't realize I need, so I should be able to put this right back in real quick. Get that all buttoned up, and then, well, maybe, almost we'll go for a drive. So let's see, where does this go? Is this it? Oh yeah, that's it. Huh. Flip it around. There you go. That lines up pretty good. Maybe it's supposed to be bent. I don't know. Check the other side. I can't really see. Oh, okay. Interesting. So it gets right here. It goes into this bracket. I have this bracket. Okay. Cool. All right. Let's see if we can piece this up. I mean, it's a pretty fun puzzle overall. I'm like trying to figure out how everything lines up. So like over here, I'm like, okay, this clips here, and this hose, the tube is here. This hooks in like this. And I come over here, I got to do the same thing. So, but this was like that. I was like, wait, this doesn't line up. So I was like, oh wait, maybe if it's loosened. I was like, oh, okay. So yeah, we got that going. So we should be able to do something like this. And it should line up. It should line up pretty good. I think. Yeah, that should work. But yeah, this bracket goes here, and then this goes like this. It's not too bad. I mean, this side could be better. But yeah, so I'll hook this all up. I'll kind of see how it looks, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, so I found the piece I need right here. It actually slides right in here. And I remember, see why I wasn't really using it. It's a little bent up. So, let's see what happens. If I can bend it back at all. I mean, you know, temporary solution. Well, might be as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna see how this lines up. Good progress. Decent so far. I think they'll hang in there for about 25 miles an hour. Cool. Okay. Gotta go ahead. It's starting to rain. Go ahead. Take the hood off. Got to put the bracket on top. Wait a minute. I'm missing a bracket. We'll let that go for now. I'm just gonna not worry about that in a moment. Not bad for a few hours of work. Not bad at all. I think really the airbox, good. The mirror and the door handle, man, that really just, that helps a lot. I mean, look at it. Looks like a complete car almost. Cool. All right. Yeah. Now moving along. Cool. All right. So now it's time before it really rains and really gets dark. Take it on a small test drive within reasonable speeds. This is really fun. Really, all the fault codes are related to air, except one wheel speed sensor. But other than that, all of them are like air. That's great. All right, so we're gonna hopefully it saves it. Well, all right, did get included codes, and it looks like we're coming back with some stuff that's definitely pending. Yeah, that's a lot of pending. Yeah, okay. We need to drive first, I think. So let's go ahead and take care of that. I mean, it's got a lot of systems to scan, but into control. Okay. Into control. I don't want to give it beans, but man, it's so nice. Oh, jeez. What a machine. Some sport. Oh, Lordy. Can we do it again? She still gets it. Oh, man. No way. Just barely anything on the front. It's awesome. Okay, go again. Oh, man. Gets it. Still gets it, man. This is great. All right. Enough fun. All right, we got to turn this around, pull in this parking lot here. Let's do this. We're good. We're good. All right. Well, ain't that quite the collection right here? Oh, that's funny. All these engine lights and notifications on, it pulls like a beast, man. It does great. So interesting. It feels like it pulls even more than when I drove and it was all together and perfect, you know? Interesting. Just weight loss? I don't know, but man, it gets up there pretty good. I'm not gonna say how fast it got to because it's definitely above 25 for what I wanted. Not above the speed limit, so we're good on that. But still, man. Whew. All right, enough horsing around. We're playing with the odds here of nighttime, rain. Hopefully nothing happening to this car. Bad. All right, we gotta bring it back to its spot. Here we go.
What a great day for this rebuild. We got the door handle on and working and took it out for its first unofficial test drive, and it does amazing. For having a ton of dash lights on and half the front missing, what a machine. Did you hear the supercharger whines? My gosh. The big mystery now is, will I ever get my glass and door panel back? Well, make sure you check back soon and find out, and to do so, go ahead and subscribe down below and keep up with this beautiful build. And if you like today's video, everyone, make sure you leave a thumbs up right there, and make sure you leave a comment down below for any questions or comments you have on this build. Also, if you want to check out any of the tools that were used on this build and more coming up along the way, check my Amazon links down below. And if you want some merch, like my cool shirts that have some great stuff going on the front and back, make sure you check out my merch store down below as well. But guys, thank you so much for watching. This is GTSam, and I'm going to catch you next time.